Hi guys, how are you doing today? So first of all, I would like to apologize for the delay of the upload of this video as I should have done it last week. So today, I'm gonna summarize what I've learned during the ESG webinar. So first off, let's talk about what are the ESG criteria. ESG stands for Environmental, Social, and Governance. These criteria are an increasingly popular way for investors to evaluate companies in which they might want to invest. Many mutual funds, brokerage firms, and robo-advisors now offer products that employ ESG criteria. ESG criteria can also help investors avoid companies that might pose a greater financial risk due to their environmental or other practices. So let's talk about each of these criteria from the ESG, which consists of environmental, social, and governance. So the first one we have is the environmental criteria. Now, this criteria include the company's energy use, the waste, the pollution, natural resource conservation, and the treatment of animals and its surrounding environment. So, what must be evaluated in the environmental criteria? The thing that must be evaluated are the issues related to its ownership of contaminated land, its disposal of hazardous waste, its management of toxic emissions, or its compliance with government environmental regulations. The next criteria that we have is the social criteria. This criteria looks at the company's business relationships. So what must be evaluated in the social criteria? Here are some of the following points. The first point, does it work with suppliers that hold the same values as it claims to hold? The next one, does the company donate a percentage of its profits to the local community or encourage employees to perform volunteer work here? And finally, do the company's working conditions show high regards for its employees' health and safety? And the third final criteria that we have is the governance criteria. This criteria assesses a company's internal processes, such as transparent accounting methods, executive compensation, and board composition, as well as its relationship with employees and stakeholders. It may also include internal regulations designed to prevent conflicts of interest and unethical behavior. So, why is it important? Why ESG is important to every company? Well, ESG analysts can provide valuable insights about factors that can have a significant impact on the financial metrics of a company and therefore better inform our investment decisions. However, ESG analysis can be very complex. When taking ESG considerations into account, it is not just a case of evaluating the products and services provided by a company, but also its behavior, conduct, supply chain, and other considerations in running the business. So that's it from this summary, and I hope you find this very useful, and I would like to apologize once more for the late submission of this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy, and until then, goodbye.